Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today onwards, we are going to learn about MS Excel. So I have lots of feedback like these two classes on MS Excel. So my friends. So I'm starting classes on MS Excel. So let us get into the class. So it is an introduction class to the MS Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application that enables user to organize, analyze, and visualize data effectively. It is widely used in various fields, from personal finance to business analytics. So you can use this Microsoft Excel in personal finance. If you have any finance, you can use this Excel or to the business. So if you do any business, then if you want to analyze the whatever the data which you are getting while doing business to analyze the data, you can use the MS Excel. Basic introduction. What is MS Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to create and manipulate data in rows and columns. So the MS Excel will be having the columns and rows. So in that we will write data. So we can manipulate that data using formulas, functions, and visualizations. UI and layout. Excel's interface includes a quick access toolbar. So Excel will having the quick access toolbar and a ribbon, formula bar, spreadsheet grid, and status bar, which provide easy access to features and real-time information about your work. So I will show you what is toolbar or quick access toolbar, ribbon, formula bar, spreadsheet grid, and status bar. So which provides easy features and real-time information about your work. So I will show you all these tools in the Excel sheet in the upcoming classes. So don't worry. So these are the basic introduction and basic Excel skills. Familiarity with the ribbon and UI, entering and formatting data, calculating totals and summaries using formulas, highlighting data using conditional formatting, creating charts and visualizations. These are the basic Excel skills which you need to possess. So you have to familiarize with the ribbon and UI and entering and formatting data. While entering any data in the Excel sheet, you should also know how to format that data. So you have to know how to calculate totals and summaries using formulas. By using formulas, how you can do totals and do summaries. And highlighting data using conditional formatting. How can you highlight your data using conditional formatting? That one also we have to see in the MS Excel. And creating charts and visualizations. How can we create charts and visualizations in the MS Excel? So the basic advantages of MS Excel. So data organization. Excel offers a structured way to arrange data in rows and columns, making it easy to manage large data sets. So Excel is a which offers the structures. Like if you want to if you have, for example, if you are working in a school, so in that school you have to arrange the each marks for the each student in a row. So for that purpose you have to use Excel, and so that you can arrange the marks for the each student in a proper way. So Excel uses in the schools and colleges. And analysis and calculation. Excel formulas and functions enable quick and accurate calculation from simple sums to complex financial modeling. So, as I told you, using Excel, we can do calculations, and we are having a lots of formulas. With that formulas, we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, so many things by using those formulas. So in the upcoming class, I will show you how can we use those formulas, and we can do the operations. And the next one is visualization. Excel provides a variety of chart types. So we are having chart types to help users visualize data and communicate insights effectively. So we can visualize the data and communicate insight effectively. Flexibility. Excel is highly customizable and allowing users to tailor their workbooks to their specific needs. So Excel is a flexible, so highly customizable. So you can customize your data whenever you want. So allowing user to tailor their workbooks. So for example, you're having some data in your workbook. So if you want to edit the data, you can do it. So these are the customizable. Disadvantages of using MS Excel. Complexity. Excel instead of features can be overwhelming for beginners, and mastering the program requires time and practice. So Excel is a complexity. Well, like it's not complexity, but it's intense. Excel extensive features can be overwhelming for beginners. But don't worry, I will teach you in a simple manner. Mastering the program requires the time and practice. So mastering the Excel is requires time and practice. So don't worry. After seeing this class, try to implement in the Excel. That's it. Try to implement in your daily life. That's it. And data size limitation. Excel has limits on the number of rows and columns it can handle, which may be a concern for large data sets. So if you the other disadvantage is it is having large rows and columns it can handle. So if you have any large data sets, it is you can which may be concern for large data sets. Like if you have large data sets, you cannot manage all the data sets, right? So data size limitations are which means what I'm saying is Excel has the limits. So if you have a large data sets, you cannot store in the Excel. It is having some limitations. I hope you understand. So Excel has limits on the number of rows and columns it can handle, which may be a concern for large data sets. If you have any large data sets, you cannot store in the Excel sheet because it's having limited number of rows and columns. Collaboration. While Excel supports collaboration, it can be challenging to manage multiple users working on the same file simultaneously. So, for example, you have created the workbook. For example, you have created a new file. Two persons working on the same file. So then it is not possible in Excel. So it is not possible to work simultaneously in Excel. The collaboration is not possible. Features of MS Excel. So formulas and functions. Excel offers a wide range of formulas, functions for data analysis and calculations, and data visualizations. Excel provides various charts, as I told you, including line, bar, pie, scatter charts, and help user visualize data. Pivot tables. Excel's pivot tables are powerful tools for summarizing and analyzing large data sets. So we are having large pivot tables, which are used for summarizing and analyzing large data sets. So I will show you what's pivot tables and data analysis. Excel includes features for sorting, filtering, analyzing data. So you can sort the data, you can filter the data, and you can analyze the data, making it easier to find insights and patterns. Data validation. Excel allows user to set rules for data entry and ensuring data consistency and accuracy. So you will be having data validation. So you can use a set of rules for data entry. So you can put some rules while entering the data and ensuring data consistency and accuracy. You can maintain the consistency and accuracy by using data validation. So these are the features, advantages, and disadvantages of the MS Excel. The final conclusion is Microsoft Excel is a versatile and powerful tool for the data management. So what is used for MS Excel? It is a data management tool and analysis and visualization. We can do data management, analysis, and visualization. By mastering its basic skills and features, users can increase their productivity. So what is the most important thing in the organization? Here you have to increase your productivity. So how can you increase your productivity? By using MS Excel. So uh, every software engineer should learn about MS Excel, and every individual should learn MS Excel because it will be helpful in your daily life. So you have to learn MS Excel. By mastering its basic skills and features, user can increase the productivity and gain valuable insights from their data. With variety of online tutorials, you will be not only here, you can have online tutorials and courses, resources available. Anyone can become proficient in Excel and take advantage of its capabilities. So the basic conclusion is not only in my video, you can search in Google. You will find Excel tutorials. You can read the documentations and you can execute those commands in the Excel workbook sheet. So I hope you find you know now what is the basic thing about MS Excel. So if you find you have learned something about MS Excel, please like the video and please share it to your friends and your family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.